taking the Maiden voyage today with the Moritz. I got this a couple months ago. Haven't used it yet. I've been using my old one. I'll still haul equipment in that one, but I don't want to haul gravel in that. 6 tons is just a lot. You can see the frame flexing. This I-beam's definitely going to hold up way better. Not going to flex. So my driver's a little behind right now, so I'm going to haul a load of gravel to help him out to a guy I know. And yeah, this will be the Maiden voyage, first load. We'll see how it goes. Just put the license plate on it. It's been a while. Let's go. Also, a guy commented on my other video that I put up about this trailer and said that I got a great deal on this at $8,500 because he's up in Maine or something, and now with the prices of everything skyrocketing, he said they want like $10,500 for it up where he's at. So like another $2,000 more. So, glad I got it when I did. Hey, how's everyone doing? I was wondering what brand dump trailer you guys run. What's the GVW length and what it cost. Comment below. So what I do is I hit my brake controller up to 8.5 usually when I'm loaded. Tow haul, put the tow haul mode on, and up here my exhaust brake. There's automatic and on. I turn it to on. So I'm using everything that the truck has. Exhaust brake to help slow it down. Brake controller, turn it up when you're loaded, turn it down when you're empty, or your tires will just lock up and you'll get flat spots. And tow haul mode, so works out real good. This truck tows really nice. Loaded up, heading to a job site. This is a pretty steep grade right here. I'm loaded. I don't even have my foot on the brake pedal, and I'm just cruising 22, 23. The exhaust brake and the transmission and tow mode, they do a pretty good job. Right now it's slowing me down. Haven't even touched the brakes. Coming up on the stop sign. It's pretty nice. It really saves wear and tear on your brakes.
Does that run on your battery, or do you have extra?
It has a battery. It has a marine heat cycle battery in there, and my truck charges it. That's what that dump truck I got. I have a PTO, and it's a pain in the ass. They have an electric version like this on them, but they're slower. But it's just a pain for tailgating. The PTO doesn't work like the two F650s.
That's a nice brake.
Yeah. Goes up higher than my other one. That's how it does fairly quick. My other one doesn't go up that high. The only thing I don't like about it, I guess, would be those D-rings. Where they're mounted at.
You can pull them up.
I just the stuff material so you get. I mean, ultimately. So just dumped that first load of gravel with Moritz 14-foot 14,000 GVW dump trailer. Went good. It worked really nice. Really impressed with how high the bed goes when it dumps. My other trailer doesn't go as high when it dumps, and it's kind of a pain. It has dual actuator, and with dirt, sometimes the dirt doesn't want to come out well, and you have to sometimes even shovel some of it out. It's not going to be a problem with this Moritz. It has a scissor lift underneath the bed, and it goes almost vertical, so really liked it. You'll see in the video how high it actually went, and recommend it. So thanks for watching, and stay out of the left lane. Thanks.